We're going to talk about the 4 different types of sentences today. The first type that we're going to talk about is called a statement. And you can see here that a statement is a sentence that tells something. It usually describes something, or it tells a person's opinion about something. Our sample, as you see down here, is the boy has on a green hat and mittens. A statement on a cold winter day could also be something like, I think it's cold outside. You'll notice up here that a statement always ends in a period. So again, a statement is a sentence that tells something, always ending in a period. The next type of sentence that we want to talk about is a question. A question is a sentence that asks something. You're seeking information. Someone is going to give you an answer. Our example that you see here is, would you like to go skating with me? It could also be a sentence on a cold winter day like, do you think it's cold outside? And it would simply have a yes or no answer. So again, a question is a sentence that asks something and ends with a question mark. The third type of sentence that we want to talk about is a command. And a command is a very bossy sentence. It's a sentence that tells someone to do something, usually not in a mean voice, in a very normal voice. Our example here is, helping me put the head on our snowman. Again, one boy is commanding the other boy to do something. Another example of a command could be things that happen often at home or at school when your parents tell you, brush your teeth, or your teacher tells you, get out your word study notebook. Those would be bossy sentences, commands that would always end with a period. Our final type of sentence that we want to talk about is an exclamation. An exclamation is a sentence that expresses excitement or strong feeling. Our example here is, ouch, that hot chocolate burned my mouth. The important thing to remember about an exclamation is they usually have words with strong feelings like, ouch, yippee, hooray, watch out. And with those strong emotions, exclamations always end in an exclamation point. As you do your assignment today, you're going to sometimes be asked to find the end mark of a sentence. You're going to sometimes be asked to identify the type of a sentence, and you're also going to be asked to write some sentences of your own. If you get stuck during the assignment, please come back and view the video.